District Disaster Management Authority mati DDMA pen patir priponsi nini abaha Hamren Circuit House along Carbiang Autonomous Council ke parlo saikam inquara pho aphan phaponsi ardido joramai kangi West Carbiang District Commissioner Sarangapani Sarma Ahin pen kidamtang arkoi ni phai kit home arni Incident Response Systems mati IRS lapen mock exercise drill kibi ke chengpon West Carbiang DC Sarangapani Sarma Arideng pen mai ingpu ponsi Arnikang team Department inquara pho atum pen District Disaster Management Authority atum pen thanmum pon hanparta saikamasai phu atum pen setami tomon thepi kewang chikli thepi kahijuk lapen RVK jang pen lang thepi kewang pen lang kanglum arong arat atuma phan tong sekot pen kirap kapajok dunji aphan bidi sore kachisik mek alam the chethan renti Jesamet Police Atum Akam Fire and Emergency Service PWD Agriculture Irrigation ARO Handloom and Textiles Sericulture Asai Kamatum Pen Kicheng Lok Penangan Asai Kamatum Chetodunsi West Carbiang Long Angkang Pi Ararapan Kerai Komji Apan Tisik Ding Pen Kerabdun Tekji Apan Seki Chipirinti Incident Response Systems Commander in Charge Lapen Branch Officer District Disaster Management Authority West Carbiang Long Pranab Diora ACS District Project Officer cum Licensing Officers DDMA West Carbiang Long Rupjoy Maibangsa Hamren Service Maniktimong Police APRO Dipro Kachitong Dun Along Se Kilang Doctors Medical Staff FCS and CA Hamren Chitong Dun Rinti Pini Arkoi Pipeline ni Hamren Multi-Utility Building at Hingolong Si Mock Exercise Drill Piklang Ponchi Lasolong District Magistrate cum Chairman District Disaster Management Authority West Carbiang Long DC Sarangapani Sarma ACS Pen Ingpu Ponsi Piklang Ponchi Pusi Perang Ke at Hingo Pachinipong Hamren Pen Daniel Linghi Carbiang Long Live